Hello guys, welcome to my channel from our stable with love. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button for the latest updates. Today I'm going to show you 5 minutes breakfast recipe for your busy or lazy mornings without really compromising on your health. That is Oats Omelette. You will find different types of oats in the supermarket. I have used rolled or old-fashioned ones. Oats Omelette is a high-protein diet which re-energizes your body. Oats into your breakfast is much more filling, helping you to stay full until long hours. Eggs are best source of lean protein and keeps your cholesterol levels in check. It has antioxidants which majorly benefits your eye health. It is high in protein and essential amino acids. It is high in omega-3 and it lowers triglycerides. See benefits of oats. 100 grams of oatmeal contains 68 calories and 2.4 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, vitamin A and B6. It is rich in calcium, iron and manganese. Now that we know how it is nourishing our body, let's get started with this 5 minutes breakfast recipe. Step number 1. Take 2 medium-sized eggs. Step number 2. Beat them up until fluffy. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, green chilies, 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 1 bowl of bell peppers, half bowl of coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala or pepper powder, salt as per your taste. Add 1 bowl of rolled or old-fashioned oats. Step number 4. Mix everything together. Step number 5. In a pan, add butter. Step number 6. Pour the mixture into the pan. Cover it with a lid and let it rest on a medium flame. You can add cheese, but it's completely optional. The texture seems to be perfect, so now it's time to flip it. Put back the lid after flipping and let it cook for a few more minutes. The texture seems to be crispy and colorful. You can cut it into half if you like. Now it's time to grab your plates. You can eat or serve it hot. Get that nutritious packed breakfast into your tummy. If you like this video, do try it at home and share your views in the comment box below. I would love to hear from you guys. Please like and subscribe for latest updates. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and healthy. From our stable with love.